Hello all, I'm Chaitra S, studying in GM University, Davangere. Today I am here to explain the code on CCTV theft detection and come out with an output of theft detection. So, let me start line by line code explanation. So, import Tinker as TK. It is a library used as TK as a prefix. From Tinker import TTK, it is a module to provide like a better button. From Tinker import font, it is a font module to it customizes the fonts. From find motion import find motion. It imports the find motion function from the custom name as findmotion.py. So let me create a main window which tells us it creates a main application, which the first line window is equals to tk.tk. It creates a main application window and stores them in the window.title find stolen. It sets the window title as find stolen. Then third line window.geometry.400 into 300, where it sets the size of the window 400 fillets with x with into 300 fillets height. Window.configuration is equals to background. This is a code given as a gray which represents the color. BG represents background. So this totally says it sets a background color of a window to light gray. This gray color. This code is represented as gray color. Then fonts. What does this font do? It defines three custom fonts, which title underscore font is a big bold text for title. Button underscore font, it is a medium bold text for buttons. And for footer in underscore font, it is a slightly bigger bold text for footer. Then the next para is title label. Title underscore label, which represents it creates a label with wildcat showing the CCTV theft. Okay, totally it is a text that represents CCTV theft. Totally it is it sets the font, background, and the text as a underscore triple three, which is dark gray in color. And this is the size of it, 20 underscore 10. Then spot different button. It's spot underscore BTN creates a button with label spot difference. It creates a button with spot difference. When click, it calls to the find motions. Here we get one GUI. If we click on spot, I'll show it in the output later. So if we click on that, it goes to the find motion function and detects the motion. It detects the motion, then padding around the button. It is padding, this line represents it's padding around the button. Then configure style is green button. It configures style in green button. This spot btn dot configuration, it applies the custom style, but you should not define the style elsewhere if you want to see it. Okay, then this exit button. Exit buttons totally what this does, it creates the exit button in the same GUI. After spot difference down, you will have an exit button. When clicked on it, it closes the app. It closes totally the app. That is Windows that we use as command for window quit. Okay. Next, also it styles in the color. The button is styled in red color. Okay. This is what the exit button tells. Then footer library. It creates a library. Footer tk.label window. All of this, what does it do? It creates a library at a button that says thank. In the same GUI, you get a thanking. It uses the thanking it uses thanks for using. It uses the footer font as light gray background with the code of this code color is gray and the text color is of black color. Then its style configurations. What does this style configuration do? Each line it create then style is equals to ttk.style. It creates a new style objects of ttk, allowing you to customize button appearance like color, font, etc. Style theme using calm. This sets the theme of the applications. Calm is a motion clean theme provided by TTK. Other options could be default, alert, and classic, etc. All of this. These are the other options. All of this. Then style.configuration. It is the color, gray color. For the button we give gray. That is front. For color is green color, and the front is bottom front. So it chooses the theme. But for this, it chooses the button style have a green text and the button font. It uses the button font. Then the next line also says the same thing, which is it styles the red button and the button font. It gives a red color, whereas in this it gives a green color. Then totally run the mail. For this run GUI, we get very important. It is very important. This line starts the GUI application and waits for the user interface like button click. As I explained in that, it has a spot different. So we have to click the button on it. Then without main loop, the windows would just open the instantly and closes. So this is overall the code. And let us see the output. Let me run the code. This is how the GUI is created. And as I said in the code, spot button. This is the spot button and exit button. Spot button is colored in green and exit button in red. And this is the thanks for using as I previously explained in the code. And now if I just tap on the spot difference, let us see what happens. Let us wait for 30 seconds. So the camera gets on to it. As the code detects the GUI, I'm unable to on the camera because the camera gets on to detect the CCTV theft. Now spot difference, it runs the code. I've put some of the components or some of the things in one corner. So this is how. So now it detects the phone. I'm taking away the phone from here, and now it detects the theft. This is how. This is how the green mention mark shows that the phone has been taken away from you. This is the final output of theft detection. This is how the theft detection code runs. Then now let's exit all. This is overall my code output. I thank sir for giving me this opportunity, and I had a great time explaining the code, and I had a new concepts to learn through this also. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.